I feel insecure in my life. And most of the times my insecurities is around relationships. I want to be close to people. I want to offer my friendship to people. But I have this fear of getting rejected. There have been times when I got emotionally invested in a relationship, but things didn't work out. I was very, very hurt. And when I am hurt, nothing in life seems to make sense. So how do I deal with my insecurities in life? There are 3 levels in which any human being can live life. And these 3 levels are levels of attachment. Level number 1 of attachment is a child's attachment. When I am attached to things. So this shirt of mine is very dear to me. And if my joy and my sadness depends on this shirt, I am very attached to this shirt. Now this shirt will decide whether I am happy in life or unhappy in life. I have a toy of mine when I am a child. And if anybody takes away that toy even for 2 minutes, I go through a lot of anxiety and I cry and I sulk and I scream because I can't bear the loss of somebody taking my things away from me. All of us begin our life by defining ourselves based on the things that we have. And in a child's life, even parents are things which takes care of him. Now they don't understand relationships, they don't understand gratitude, they don't understand love, they don't understand contribution. A child who's, let's say, a toddler, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, for them parents are means to get what I want in life. When I am hungry, my parents give me food. When I am sick, my parents arrange for a doctor or give me medicines. When I want something, they buy it for me and give it to me. They are providers. They are things which gives me what I want. And that is why even when a younger child is there at home, or let's say another child is born, the elder child goes through their sense of insecurity because the mother or the father is not giving him so much attention. Now that attention is being given to the younger one, and they think what I want, I am not going to get anymore. So the base kind of attachment is attachment to things. Then there is something called the attachment of the youth, and that is attachment to relationships. I am close to Anil, and if Anil is becoming close to somebody else, I think I will not get his love, affection, friendship. I am not a priority in his life anymore. And if I am not a priority in somebody's life, my identity gets shaken up. I like Nipun, I enjoy our company, I enjoy the drives we have, talks we have, and suddenly when I find Nipun is not giving me that much time, he's ignoring my phone calls, I believe I am not a priority in his life anymore, which means my value has become zero and it impacts my self-esteem. Second stage of attachment, when I'm attached to people. Third stage is when I start getting attached to ideas and purpose. When my attachment is not to people per se, my attachment is to an idea or a purpose. The sad thing is, we want to hold on to what creates insecurity inside us. And that is never possible. You want to hold on to water in the palms of your hand, it's not going to be possible. You want to make a tight fist so that you can hold on to water, it's even more impossible. If you ever feel insecure, it's not on others on which you need to work, it is on yourself that you need to work.